Picture the rugged beauty of Iceland. Now imagine the unique flavors of its cuisine. Here are the top 5 Icelandic foods to try. 1. Skyr, a creamy dairy product similar to yogurt but with a milder taste. It's rich in protein and traditionally served with milk and sugar. 2. Hangikjöt, or smoked lamb. This is a holiday special, smoked over dried sheep dung. Sounds off-putting, but it's a must-try. 3. Plokkfiskur, a hearty fish stew. Made with potatoes and onions, it's comfort food, Icelandic style. 4. Kleinur, a twisted donut-like pastry, perfect with a cup of coffee. And 5. Hakarl, fermented shark. Not for the faint-hearted, but certainly an experience. Icelandic cuisine, as unique and captivating as the country itself. Give it a go.